Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Health and Beauty Tips with Remedies. Skin repair, close large pores. Take one cucumber, cut it into half. Like this, cut the half into small pieces. Like this, cucumber reduces swelling and puffiness of the skin. It's very useful. Now we are grate it like this. We grate the cucumber. Now put it into a bowl like this. Take one banana, chop into the small pieces like this. You can see banana restores moisturizer and repair dry skin. These are small pieces of banana. Pour these pieces in the bowl, put them together. Yes, like this. Now mash it. Blend bananas and cucumber together to make a paste. Like this. The mixture is yours. Put the paste in a jar. Like this. You can see we grind the paste and put the paste in a jar. Now close the jar. Apply on your face daily as face pack. Second remedy, take 2 or 3 teaspoons of cooked rice. Take 2 or 3 teaspoons of cooked rice and put into a bowl like this. Add 2 or 3 teaspoons of rose water into the rice. Now mash it well. Rice increases the collagen in the skin, which keeps your skin supple and help prevent wrinkling. Now take a bowl, put mashed rice into the bowl. Like this. Now add 4 tablespoons of raw milk. Lactic acid milk will help reduce pigmentation, heal dry skin, hydrate skin and heal acne. Now mix it well. Like this. Now 3 tablespoons of rose water, pour into the mashed liquid this mixture in ice cube tray and freeze it. Pour this mixture in ice cube and freeze it. Now you can see, rub it on your face daily and wash after 20 to 30 minutes. Like this. Thank you. Subscribe my channel.